The group is really are they unserious? It's a pufferfish! 2, 3, mabuhay! Hey, kamusta ang lahat? Hi everybody, I'm Pierre and welcome to Neon Reactions. Folks, we are back with Beanie and we are going to take a look at the second half of the On Cue interviews, and this time it is Mika, Stacy, Joanna, and Gwen. And yes, I'm excited for this. The first 4 interviews were loads of fun, and now we've got the other 4. I am so thankful for Pop and Subs, who did all of the subtitles again for this. Amazing work, bro. You are my hero here today. So yes, let us dive in. Before we do, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like and share the video. Hop on over to my Patreon for some exclusive stuff. Check out my Discord and my podcast with V. We are going to record the 3rd episode soon. There were a couple of troubles here and there, but we'll get to that. And yes, if you have anything to tell me, you know, the comment section is the place to go. And I forgot my 2, 3 mabuhay shirt. Yes. Good God. Okay, folks. One more thing. For those of you who have kept on asking me about these pictures in the background, I am going to put all of them up here above the video in a in focus photo, so you can just take a look at them and see what they actually are. Okay, so let us do this. I am excited. Let's see. Let's have a laugh or two.
I ain't never missed my cue.
Ooh.
I ain't never missed my cue.
Mika!
Hello kapamilya! Ako po si MJ
Hello!
Felipe. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang special interview series natin dito sa On Cue. We have another Beanie member, Mika!
Woo!
What's up, guys? It's Mika.
How are
What's
you?
up, guys?
I'm great.
Oh, yes.
Nakapagpahinga na ba si Mika?
Feeling ko, oo. Pero, kasi ako yung type na I wanna really explore and like go around at my own time. So, syempre, ang hirap with the schedule.
Right. Pero okay, so fun and light questions lang naman to, Mika. I'm so curious, why you red? Ano yung look mo? It's so striking. It's such a standout. Kasi dati black naman yung hair mo, no? So
opo.
why did you decide to make it red?
I actually have been wanting to dye my hair red since I think the era before Carrera. So,
Okay.
before that pa, I wanted to dye it red.
Way back pa.
Yeah, way back pa.
Okay.
But then,
And now she's back to her regular color again, which is also really nice.
in-approve na siya yung peg. Pero sabi nila Miss Jovi, like when I missed, kasi I was in HIH. So nung sila,
Wait. What was on
sabi
the
nila Miss
top there?
Jovi, like when I
He's into her TV show where Mika portrayed the character.
missed, kasi I was in HIH. So nung nag-dye ng hair nila, wala ako noon.
Okay.
Tapos nung pagbalik ko, sabi nila, wag na, like keep it black muna.
Okay.
So I was so sad that time. Pero siguro perfect time siya nung nagkarera kami. And red is my favorite color. So every time talaga, as you can see.
I know. I'm curious, mahirap ba siyang i-maintain?
Oh my God.
Di ba?
Bawal ako mag-white tops pag pinapawisan, anything light. And then yung nails ko, pag white or anything light, nagiging pink siya or red.
Yes, they immediately get stained. That is so cool.
Because when I shower, pero I retouch my hair siguro like once or twice a month.
Yeah.
Tapos every time I shower, talaga nagbe-bleed lahat. It's always red.
Okay.
So parang yung sheets.
Ay, hindi. I blow dry naman
Okay,
before I
okay.
sleep.
Okay.
Yun na nga yung na-miss ko. Yun na tulog akong medyo basa pa. Pero hindi na pwede ngayon.
Yun ang nasa isip ko. Para, oh my God, siguro nahihirapan si Mika i-maintain yung red color niya.
Yeah. I mean, hindi
High
naman...
maintenance ka kaya sa hair.
Hindi naman sa mahirap.
Very high
pero
maintenance.
It's like, madali rin akong makilala.
Yes, that's
So,
true.
so I go
Alam
out. It's like, I have
na
to like,
alam na.
Covered.
Hindi ka na pwedeng mag-ano.
Oo.
Kahit tap lang, hindi pwede.
Oo.
So I saw Beanieverse, like electric guitar ka doon.
Oh my God.
Yun ba talaga matagal mo ng talent ng
Hindi.
Yun lang yun?
No.
Yun lang.
Doon lang.
Oh.
Parang, I was like, okay, I want to show them something I've never done.
Okay.
Okay,
And
okay.
I really like anime and I think this tune is very iconic.
Right.
So, ayun, yun yung pinili ko. And since limited lang syempre yung slot for our solos,
Right.
we have to like compress it. So
Right.
parang konting parts lang kinuha ko.
Okay,
And
very cool.
yeah, I just learned it
I know.
for the Beanieverse. And like, ang hirap nga kasi the guitars I'm using, they're not mine. And like, hindi ko siya napapractice every time we rehearse for concerts kasi medyo hassle na may instrument ka.
Mm.
And like, hindi naman lagi nandun si Sir Ray.
Right.
So yeah.
Pero you have a
She did well. She did well, though.
guitar at
I
home.
have a guitar at home, but it's like a, pang practice lang.
Pang-practice
ganon.
lang.
Hindi naman siya yung, kasi iba-iba yung lahat ng guitars eh. The size of it, the level,
Yeah.
lahat-lahat. So parang every time you play it, iba-iba yung feeling. So doon ako medyo kinabahan kasi I was like, iba yung guitar. Okay.
Pero what's your proudest piece na kaya mong i-strum or i-gitara ng with all confidence?
Siguro hindi sa electric guitar.
Hindi sa electric guitar.
Hindi. Like sa normal guitar lang. Doon
Okay.
ako masanay.
What song?
Mm.
I would probably pick
Ah.
Can't Help Falling in Love.
Oh.
Yeah, or like Leaving on a Jet Plane.
Leaving on a
Yeah,
Jet
yung mga
Plane.
ganyang song.
Wise men say only fools rush in.
Good choices. Double checking. It's your choice. Okay, mahirap na eh. Pero alam mo, napansin ko, ang daming nagkaka-crush sa'yo because of that. You know, the look, the astig, the angas. Ano masasabi mo doon? Ano reaction mo dyan?
Thank you.
You're blushing. Grabe.
Thank you.
Makeup.
Makeup.
Pero, di ko rin in-expect. Like, for me, I guess that they expected an astig
Right.
performance. And obviously, like, I want to also show different sides of myself.
Mhm.
Did.
Very nice.
Yeah, so I'm grateful that they enjoyed it naman.
Yeah. Your brother is a soccer player, tama ba?
Yeah.
O, anong feeling na pareho na kayong high profile ang mga...
High profile.
ang status ng trabaho? I met him.
You met him?
Yes, I did.
Oh my God.
I was
Wow.
the one who assisted
Wow.
him papunta sa backstage para
Oh,
sa
thank you.
family photo ninyo. Pero nakikita ko rin siya sa TikTok, no? Parang, anong reaction niya?
Feeling niya. Joke lang. Hindi, kasi there was this one time, kakabalik na lang from US,
Okay.
and then, he wasn't like really aware of how nag-boom yung Beanie.
Okay, that's actually it's cool. I mean, both are very sporty. That is cool. That's nice.
And we went out to a mall. Gusto lang namin mag-family bonding. And I didn't wear a cap or a mask. Kasi I was like, you know what, whatever.
Yeah.
Bahala na, mag-family na.
Whatever.
And then we were at like this gaming place. And let's just say like there were a good 20 minutes and then another 20 minutes of like picture taking.
Okay.
And then my brother was like, bro, like I don't want to go out with you anymore. So every time we go out now, he's always reminding me like, Mika, where's your hoodie? Where's your cap? Where's your
Right.
mask?
Right.
He's like that. Because like he doesn't, alam mo yun, like he wants everyone to enjoy naman.
Right. Parang na-accept na niya na iba na si Mika na ngayon.
But he's very, very supportive. Like, they
That's
were
good.
crying, my whole family, they were
Really?
crying.
Why?
Yeah. During the Beanieverse concert. That's why, like, when I saw them cry, I was like,
Naiyak ka na rin.
yeah. Sobrang na, yun
Tears of
yung-
joy yun, no?
Yeah.
And, parang proud sila.
Yeah. It was like, it's my weak spot talaga when I see them cry.
Okay.
Especially my
Oh,
dad, he
okay.
never cries.
Do you miss that? Yung pagiging anonymous?
Oh yes. I miss it so much.
Nakakagala, nakakainit
Yeah.
mag-isa.
I mean, before, it's weird nga talaga. Once you get it, it's like, sometimes there are times na, ay, ito ba talaga yung, is this what I really wanted? Kasi like before, I was like, oh, walang nakaka-recognize sa amin. But then now it's like, wow, nakaka-recognize.
Right.
But then you realize also, shucks, yung privacy ko. It's very
There are two sides to that coin, definitely. If you want one side, you have to live with the other.
hard. And syempre, di mo naman mapipigilan yung tao. Like, if idol ka nila, it's respect. Like, respect, you know? Like, obviously, let's take a photo. There's
That's
nothing
right.
wrong with that.
That's right. So, nababalance mo na siya now.
Very nice.
Yes.
Good.
Got a
That's
good
I
attitude
guess,
about
I
it.
think.
Oh.
Pero at the same time, I'm not yet kind of like used to it. It's
It'll
like,
take a while. It will take
I'm
a
just
while.
like, okay, let's take a photo. I just smile.
Aside from that, what
She's so cute in this interview here. This is nice. This is a very nice side
other
of her.
things do you miss doing na hindi mo na nagagawa ngayon?
I'd say like just going out and like being freely like doing whatever you want kasi syempre ngayon a lot of people can misinterpret like actions with other people. You know, like baka magawa ng issues. So parang let's say kasi ako when I'm with my friends, I'm just like, like gano'n, like wala akong and like akbayan.
Worry-free.
Yeah, worry-free, ganon. So parang ngayon, for sure, it's different na kasi,
Yes. Wherever the girls from Beanie lay their hands on, the rumors immediately blow up. She's with him, she's with him, she's with her, she's with whatever. And that is difficult. That is actually difficult. Aya's said it a few times that just gets out of proportion. The only one who doesn't really seem to care about any of that is Malloy. She's posting pictures with her friends everywhere. Instagram, full on 8 people in one photograph, cuddling and hugging and everything. Malloy doesn't seem to worry about all of that. She has stayed that old Malloy in a way. I love that.
the people who watch us, not everyone will like, not everyone actually like know us and actually like know our behavior and that ganito talaga kami, ganon. So baka namin misinterpret. But
That's
it's like, it's the internet, it's social media, it's how it really is. I don't care. Okay.
I
Like,
know, but I'm so happy for you,
Thank
Mika,
you.
for the whole girls. Grabe na
Oh
yung
God, this was nice.
The level of success that you guys have received.
still a long way to go though.
Long way to go. All right, thank you very much.
Wow.
Stacy!
All right, we're still doing our special interview series here sa On Cue. Ako po si MJ Felipe. We have with us Staku! Stacy! Paano nyo na papanatili sa grupo na yung how to remind everyone na, hey, yung health natin, hey, kulang ka sa sleep, parang may ganun ba? You look after each other.
Opo, parang kunwari kapag may ganap po kami, tapos yung isa parang may sakit, sinasabihan na po namin agad na if hindi kaya, wag nang ipilit.
Okay.
Ayun po, parang mas importante po talaga yung health kasi kailangan po, kunwari kapag may upcoming ganap kami na big,
Right.
so dapat mas alagaan na namin yung sarili namin para kapag dumating yung araw na yon, healthy po kami lahat.
Right. I saw your mom. I met your mom after, diba? After Beanieverse. Tungtuwa ako kasi sobrang proud siya sa'yo. How is she, parang embracing this life of Stacy?
Actually, nahihiya raw po si Mami nung na-interview siya and parang na-speechless po siya. Pero ayun,
So cute.
feel ko po talaga kay Mami na talagang proud po siya sa akin. And nakakwento niya po sa akin before na pangarap niya rin daw po ito. Gusto niya mag-artista before. Kasi yun talaga yung parang dream niya and happy
Right.
daw siya na sa akin po nangyayari yung mga pangarap niyang yun.
She must be a proud mom. Wow.
Mm-mm. At ikaw ang tinatawag nila ngayong
The Pink Queen! Yes, girl,
Pink
yes!
Queen. The kikay of the group.
Wait, the Kikai?
The kikay
Kikai, very feminine, trendy lady, usually with a very bubbly person. That is definitely Staku, yes.
the kikay of the group. Also, I wanted to get your reaction na yung mga bata love na love ka.
Ang cute kasi mahilig din po talaga ako sa bata. Sa mga bata like yung anak ni Coach Mickey, nila Coach Ana. Ako po lagi yung parang pinupuntahan nila kapag kasi feeling ko kasi parang ako yung very kikay talaga. Alam niyo yung mga bata po lalo yung mga babae na gusto yung mga pambabaeng mga ganap, ganon, yung mga pinakakikay talaga. And ayun, mahilig po
Okay,
talaga ako sa bata. Kaya
understandable.
feeling ko na-feel nila na ako mahilig sa bata. Kaya gustong-gusto nila.
That is the thing. Kids can feel that. It's the same like cats. Cats approach people where they feel they are understood, you know. It's the same with kids. Kids can feel that and they try to get close to you.
Meron din ba, so having said that, meron din bang pressure na parang kailangan maganda yung image, wholesome, kasi love ng mga kids?
To be honest, hindi naman po ako napapressure kasi feeling ko yun naman po talaga, yun po talaga ako. Like,
okay.
Hindi ko po kailangan magpanggap na kailangan kong maging wholesome palagi kasi palatawa naman po kami.
I know.
And very friendly naman po yung branding namin.
I know. The group is very unserious. Yun yata yung parang isa sa mga brand or image ng Beanie, no?
Ayun, dun po talaga kami nakilala.
The group is really are they unserious? It's a puffer fish.
Nakilala po talaga kami sa humor namin, sa kanal humor namin, yung mga ina-edit ng Blooms na Beanie Core, na yung pinaka nakakatawang moments namin sa group, ganon. And ayun, yun naman yung pinaka grateful kami kasi buti na lang may pagkakaugali kaming eight.
Correct. Walang nabikon.
Wala pong pikon sa amin.
Paano nyo na-maintain naman yung nyo, skincare,
Skincare.
look?
Parang si Ate Maloy lang po talaga yung masipag po sa skincare. Pero buti na lang, biniyayaan
Okay.
kami ni Lord ng okay na skin. Well, minsan di po talaga kahit tulad ngayon, may
Right.
po ako. Kasi di po talaga may iwasan minsan pag kulang sa tulog,
That's
pag
right.
stress.
Traveling,
Opo,
nag-iba
ayun
yung
po.
weather.
Tapos minsan, kunwari kapag everyday kami minamake-upan,
Right.
napapagod po yung skin namin. So minsan di talaga may iwasan yung breakouts, ganun. Pero inaalagaan naman po namin yung skin.
Stacey,
That's something natural. That's regular. I mean, if you, as she just said, if you wear makeup every day, if you're stressed, if you're traveling and all of that, if you can't, rest a little bit, then that's what happens. That's normal.
paano mo naman minamanage ngayon yung privacy, life outside Beanie?
Ako po, hindi po talaga ako palalabas
Okay.
talaga. Bahay lang po ako, bahay, Beanie. Lumalabas kami, kumakain kami nila mami, yung ibang friends ko rin na from province, pag nagpupunta po sila dito, lumalabas po kami. Pero ayoko po kasi yung nagpo-post po. Di rin po ako sobrang pala-post. Kaya gusto ko po palaging private lang po yung mga pinupuntahan rin po namin. Wala
That's
po
nice.
masyadong
That's
tao.
nice.
Ayun. And ayoko rin naman po ma-experience yung parang nangyari kala Ate Aya and Ate
Right.
Maloy na talagang dinumog po sila.
Oo. Stacey, I'm curious, prior to this, were you really a performer?
Ako po, church girl po talaga ako. Yes.
Oh.
Pag may worship po, nagtatamborin kami.
So you still perform in the church?
Opo.
Sunday school, yung ba yung mga
Sunday,
ganyan?
opo. And before po, sa school din po namin, active po ako sa mga yung mga event po, like
Right.
yung pageants, gano'n. Tas
Ano ka, pageant? Kasi you have the height eh.
Opo.
Oo.
English din po ako.
Uy, na-curious mo ako doon sa Sunday, sa church.
Opo, church
Active ka
girl.
sa church.
Lolo ko
Wow.
po, pastor po ang lolo ko.
Oh, okay.
So, anong reaction nila
That is cool. That's actually nice.
ngayon that our Stacy girl is now the famous
Sobrang proud po sila lalo na po nung umuwi ako last year. Sobrang proud po sila. Like, yung ministry namin talagang very proud kasi sila rin po yung nag-pray for me. Sila po yung talagang mga prayer request ko po sa kanila ko po sinasabi. And grabing grateful po for
Right. You miss home?
Super miss home po.
Yeah.
What do you miss doing sa bahay?
Ano na miss ko? Yung kapag nagluluto po, it's Christmas. So,
Christmas.
super miss ko po ang Christmas kasi si Mami sobrang hilig po niyang mag-design ng mga table po.
Table
Christmas,
setup.
gano'n, yes, mga
Okay.
setup po, yung mga ginagawa po niya.
That's nice.
Kasi every year po parang may theme kami. Kunwari, Candy Christmas, gano'n. mga gano'n.
Oh! Ano kayang theme nyo ngayong...
This year,
My typical Christmas theme is Kape Christmas.
Beanie Christmas yan.
Beanie
Cherry Christmas.
Cherry Christmas. Sa grupo ninyo, kanino ka pinaka-close?
Sa group, actually, ang sinasabi po nila, o sila well, close ko po silang lahat, pero
That's
siguro
right.
yung pinaka one call away ko talaga si Mika.
Mika.
Kasi siya po talaga yung parang kunwari niyaya kong lumabas or kapag may problema ako ganun, siya po yung hihingan ko ng advice.
Right.
Pupuntahan niya po ako sa condo kapag yung hindi ko kaya mag-isa, ganun. Siya po talaga yung one call away.
That is
Wow,
nice.
pero-
That's nice. And that she verbalizes it. That she just says, yeah, she's my girl, you know. She's the one I call. I can call whenever. That's nice.
Close ka sa lahat.
Yes, close po kaming lahat.
Gusto ko to lang itanong din na, parang natanggap mo na ba na gumawa kayo ng kasaysayan
Oh, yes.
in the music industry?
Sa ngayon po, parang lahat po kaming Beanie, hindi pa po talaga nagsisink in lahat ng achievements namin. Pero slowly, parang nagsisink in na rin po sa amin na, oo nga po pala, parang like yung Pantropiko, sobrang naging hit po siya dito sa Pinas. And siguro po, every summer, yun po yung maririnig. So parang nag-a-agree naman po kami sa sinasabi ng mga tao na, ayun, we made history
And now they're just taking off.
din.
That's right. And you're grateful, of course, the whole group,
Yes.
with all the blessings. Thank you, Stacy!
My
Salamat!
Stacy is such a wonderful person. Wow. And now we've got Master Joe.
Hi kapamilya, ako po si MJ
Hi.
Felipe and you're still watching this special interview series sa On Cue. I'm with the master, the leader of Beanie, Joanna!
Joanna! Woo!
Question, Joe, mahirap ba maging leader ng Beanie?
Honestly, hindi
Or
po.
it's just a tag or something?
Meron kasi kaming lahat, kasi kami meron kaming qualities ng pagiging leader.
Yes.
So, syempre, may mga times po na kailangan talaga ako yung titimbang. Kasi syempre, halimbawa, half ng group, ganito yung gusto, yung kalahati eto. So, parang, dun ako mahihirapan, di ba?
But there are so many personalities in between those 8 girls. I think, as she just said, everybody has a certain amount of leader in them, a certain amount of wisdom and of experience and everything. And everybody can say something to a special situation. I think they complement each other very well there.
Minsan naman, ako lang naiiba yung opinion, lahat sila ganto. Pero when that happens, kasi parang, ang ginagawa ko, kasi syempre, like kami so Viber lang kami palagi.
Right.
Ang ginagawa ko, mini-message ko talaga yung thoughts ko, para lang alam nila.
Right.
Kahit na majority wins yung rule namin as a
Right.
group.
Right.
Para lang alam nila na girls ganto, kailangan nyo maintindihan to. Nakikinig po kasi sila, kaya...
Right. Yun ba yung key ingredient?
That's cool.
Why you girls are so bonded together?
Kasi feeling ko very important talaga yung communication ko eh. Kasi gets ko din yung hirap for them to accept guidance sa mas younger sa kanila, di ba? Parang alam mo yun, may ganun eh. Pero wala eh. Ilang years na kami magkakasama.
Yeah. Feeling ko parang test of
Age doesn't count in this aspect. You know, it's not about age. It's about a certain way of being a leader, a certain way of handling problems and solving situations. And it doesn't matter how old you are. If you can do that, if you're good at it, why not? You know?
na-test talaga kayo ng panahon, ng mga challenges nyo as a group. And now, ito na nga tayo. It's a different era for Beanie. Parang
Can I just say once again, thank you, Joanna, for putting up my painting in your shelf. That is just, my goodness, that made everything warm in here.
nyo kinakaya ang tight schedule, Jo?
Siguro may times na nag-autopilot na pag-usapan mo
Yes,
natin.
yes.
Parang nag-autopilot na lang kami na syempre ibibigay sa amin yung schedule. So parang kami, doon na lang kami nakafocus. So, okay, ano schedule bukas, ganun.
Right.
Tapos hindi mo namamalayan, oh my gosh, nagawa natin yung isang buong linggo na to na ganun.
Baga parang kayo mismo nagugulat kayo
Opo.
na kinakaya nyo. Pero parang nyo na-maintain yung alam kong rest is important, pero yung health lang nung lahat. Katulad mo, you just had a health scare, di ba? So, ngayon, ano yung learning mo doon?
Yes.
Ako talaga, ang natutunan ko, pag hindi mo talaga kaya, huwag mo nang pilitin.
That's right.
That is absolutely true. And girl, I don't want to see you in an ambulance ever again, okay?
Kasi mas magsasuffer lang yung group pag halimbawa pinilit mo ngayon. So parang mas isipin mo yung pangmatagalan.
Tama.
Yun.
Sabi nga nila,
Yes.
kung makina nga, pinagpapahinga natin, what more, tao pa. Di ba?
Si Lord nga nagpahinga ng Sunday.
Di
So
ba?
true.
Oo. Pero iba din man sinasabi, strike while the iron is hot.
Yun.
Kasi medyo nagpipeak kayo now.
Opo.
So, it's really, a balance. It's a juggle of things. Time
But somebody once told me exactly to this saying there, you have to strike the iron while it's hot. But nevertheless, every time you lift the hammer, the iron is resting for a moment. And then you strike it and you lift it again, and once again it's resting. It's not for long. It's those little power naps in between the action. And there's not always, that energy there of striking the iron. So it's a balance, yes, what they are just saying.
management lang and everything. After kong i-upload yung picture yung dalawa ni Kyle, nag-surface yung eksena na panood ko na, yung sa Kadenang Ginto. Do you
Wait, Kyle? Kyle Echari played the role of Christoph Tough Tejada in Kadenang Ginto. Okay.
nag-surface yung eksena na panood ko na, yung sa Kadenang Ginto. Do you miss
Okay.
Diyos ko, itsura
Okay.
ko doon. Pero opo, talagang nakita ko rin po yun eh. Wala lang, na-miss ko lang yung taping days noon. Though, lang yun eh, saglit lang din po ako doon.
Right,
And
right.
before pa yun ng Star Hunt auditions, yung akala din kasi ng iba, part yun ng audition ko kung bakit ako napasali doon. Pero before pa yun eh.
Grabe, nag-surface na panood ko kagabi. Tapos parang,
Can that be watched somewhere? Can I see that somewhere? If you have a link, please share it with me.
I was like, ito pala yung sinasabi ni Jo sa akin na acting niya. Na parang si Cassie.
Opo! Nainis ako! Parang wala
Hindi cringe ka?
Opo!
Cringe ka?
Tapos parang nakakaya na kasama ko sila ngayon na parang, kahit natandaan po ni Kyle, kasi nag-uusap kami ni Kyle kagabi, na yun nga, tanda nga raw po niya.
Pero iba na. Ibang Jo na to ngayon. Kyle,
It's a different Joe
ibang Joanna
now.
na tong kausap mo ngayon. Di ba? Okay, dream collaboration na gustong-gustong gawin ni Jo.
Okay, come on.
Miss Catherine Bernardo.
Ay, talaga.
Oh.
Is this a song or an eksena?
Eksena
Ay,
talaga.
talaga. Bakit si Kat?
Alam mo, malaking part talaga na kung sino ako ngayon si ate. Kasi parang buong pagkabata ako sa kanya talaga umikot mundo ko. Ultimo commercials niya sa ulo ko yung mga
Right.
Ewan ko, sobrang baliw po talaga ako kay Ate Kat.
Well, it's a good choice.
Yes.
Diba? Na iba din ang pinagdaanan ni Catherine and now she's working on a very, very big project. Ano yan? Fingers crossed kami dyan. Fingers
Okay,
crossed.
wow,
About singing
nice.
Naman, singing dream collab mo.
Singing. Miss Yang Constantino.
Yay!
Oh. Wow, okay. I would like to see that happen too. Oh, wow. Nice, Joe. Nice.
Parang yung range lang ng boses niya, parang dun ako very relaxed.
Right.
Parang,
Mm.
ang angas kasi.
Iba rin.
Ang angas talaga ni Miss Yang.
Yes, she is really fierce. That is true. I have deeply fallen in love with Yang's voice. There is something about it. It's just crazy.
And
Andito
Sarah
siya,
G.
di ba?
And Sarah,
Asap! Yeah! She just arrived. Yeah, so it's a good opportunity
Yes.
na mag-usap kayo
Opo.
about it. Baka possible mangyari yan, di ba? Kailan ka huling kinilig?
Huling kinilig. Wait lang.
Wait
Wait
lang.
lang. Huling kinilig. Ano bang last na pinanood ko? Feeling ko yung Kat din po.
Hello, love, goodbye.
Yes. Ay, hindi. Kasi nakikita ko nagtitaping na silang.
Yes, oo.
So, nakakita ko.
Wait, I gotta read all the things that were on the top
Ko yung
now. Kathden, the love team, pair of Catherine Bernardo and Alden Richards. Okay.
Then po,
Hello, love.
Hello, Love, Goodbye, movie that Catherine Bernardo and Alden Richards starred in. Ah, okay.
Goodbye.
yes. Ay, hindi. Kasi nakikita ko nagtitaping na silang.
Yes, oo.
Okay.
So, nakakita ko, nasuspoil na ako.
Okay. Oh, fangirl pa rin pala si Jo. Up to now. Kahit na ikaw, marami ka ng fans, ikaw din mismo fangirl ka
Ay,
pa rin.
opo. Diyos ko talaga. Basta Ate Catherine, anything about her.
Right. Okay.
The thing is, even as a big artist, you still have to be a fan girl, boy, somewhere. Because it's that feeling that you have about somebody you idolize that you understand the people idolizing you with that, you know? It's, if you don't have anybody to idolize, then you can't be an idol. You can't be somebody, you know, you always have to have somebody you look up to or that you admire, or else you are bland in a way, you know.
Ano yung mga bagay na nagagawa mo noon na hindi mo na nagagawa ngayon that you miss the most?
Gagawa ko noon. Ano po, makauwi ng Laguna.
Okay.
Wow.
Hindi ko Christmas po yung last uwi ko.
Okay.
And nung Pasko, syempre, parang hindi pa ganito.
Yeah.
So, parang nakikurious ako, paano kaya, pag umuwi ulit ako?
It's gonna be crazy.
Yun po, pero syempre, nakakamiss yung makakalabas ako with friends.
Right. Ano ba ginagawa mo sa Laguna? Parang...
Ay, gala talaga.
Ay, gala?
Every day.
Okay.
Every
Kumbaga,
day.
halimbawa, 1 week kaming pahinga. Ano yun, nakaschedule yun. Ito yung group of friends kung ganto, family time. Ganon po.
You miss them? All of them?
Of course!
High school barkada! Diba?
God, she's so cute. Of course.
All of them? Of course! High school barkada! Diba?
Kasi hanggang grade 10 lang ako nakapag-aral sa alam talagang may kaklase ako.
Right. Pagkaing Laguna, na-miss mo rin.
Yes!
Ano?
Meron kasi kami binibili ng tokwa doon.
Okay.
Hindi ko alam kung bukas pa yun.
Okay.
Basta iba yung tokwa, tapos yema cake.
Ay, ang sarap! Ay, ang sarap! Mainit-init pa! Oo! Ay, nako. Sana makabalik ka
Opo.
ng Laguna.
Yeah.
Okay. Last question na lang is, what is your major dream in life? Jo? Anong major dream ni Master?
Oh.
Ako, syempre, for myself,
For yourself.
For myself, gusto ko gawin yung first love ko, yung acting po. Basta iba yung ng puso ko sa acting po. Pero syempre, alam ko madami pa akong dapat matutunan pa doon. And yung reporting.
Ang dami mong hats! Grabe!
Yes.
Reporting din.
Pero kung i-weigh mo siya lahat, acting, reporting, being a journalist, being a singer-dancer, ano yung mabigat sa puso mo ngayon?
Syempre, performing po. Performing.
Yeah. Because that's your life now. Diba? Well, sana magkaroon ka
Very
ng time
nice.
to explore the newsroom.
Yes! Sana.
And acting.
She is adorable. Joanna is so adorable. I like the grandness in which she can think and in which she thinks, you know. Acting, reporter, journalism, all of that, wonderful. Beautiful mind.
Thanks, John!
Thank you.
Dahil hindi na siya number 1, pati si Cassie,
Oh, there she is.
Hindi naman talaga niya deserve na maging number 1 to begin with. Nagmamagaling na Mondragon.
Kung may gusto kayo sabihin niyo sa harapan ko.
What's wrong, Cassie? Madumi ba? Bakit hindi mo ipalinis si janitor friend mo? Eh, di ba? Close kayo nun.
Hindi na. Kaya ko
lilinisin to eh.
Good God, now we've got Gwen. Gwen. Let's go.
Hi kapamilya, ako po si MJ Felipe and you're still watching the special interview series sa On Cue. We have with us another Beanie member, Gwen!
Hi everyone! Hi, Sir MJ! Long time no see.
Question, Gwen. Yung hair mo ba talaga dati ng short?
Akala ko kasi nakaganon siya
Ay, hindi naman. I'm just curious. Lagi talaga siyang short.
Opo, it's been 5 years.
5 years.
long years.
Pero merong ano yan, dati mahaba yan.
Mahaba po siya
Up to where?
PBB ako. Like, mahaba dito.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, and in the way beginnings of Beanie, when we saw them on the One Dream show, she still had her long hair.
Pero before PBB, hindi pa ako nag-showbiz. Si Mama gusto talaga short hair ako, na may bangs. So marami na akong photos before, kahit bata pa ako, like as in bata pa, na may bangs talaga ako, tsaka short hair.
Okay. So, I'm sure emotional ka nung kinat yan.
Medyo, yes.
Okay.
She's got such a beautiful smile. My God.
Kasi first time ko magpa-long hair ng sobrang haba nung sa PBB. Kasi ako talaga yung may gusto ng long hair. Ako talaga yung umay na sa short hair noon. Kasi si Mama nga po gusto like short hair, may bangs. Ako sabi ko, gusto ko magpahaba. Kasi ang tagal kong pinahaba, tapos biglang super short.
I know. Who decided na super short?
It's the management.
Okay. And but did you like it?
Okay lang naman po. Since, well, sanay na din naman ako na ganun. But yes.
Even the color?
Color before, wala po akong color before actually. Parang black lang na short hair. Ngayon lang ako nagpakulay nung, anong era ba? Parang karera era po ata.
Okay. Anong eksaktong kulay niyan?
Ginger po
Ginger.
Ang dami pong pinagdaanan ng buhok ko, Sir MJ.
Bakit? Bakit?
Mali-mali yung kulay.
Hindi mo kuha yung perfect color.
Hindi talaga as in, sobrang lala. Siyempre hindi ako pwede mag-post, kaya. Pero sobra, grabe.
Pero it looks good, ha?
Ngayon po, okay na siya.
Okay. Pero, aware ka ba na people look at you, may impression na parang model-like ka?
Nababasa ko po sa social media, tsaka sa comments din minsan sa photos ko. Opo.
Parang ganun, gawin. Ako din eh.
Empty.
Yes, no joke. Para ang pa nila, iniisip daw nila pwede ka dun sa mga fashion week in Paris.
Yes.
Sana po.
May ganun dream ka ba?
I hope so. Yes.
Before, to become a model.
Meron talaga. Oh my gosh.
Oo.
So before, nagmo-modeling naman ako. Pero baguhan lang po ako talaga.
Okay.
Like, wala pa masyadong experience. Kasi, pumasok ako ng PBB 15.
Okay.
So, siguro nag-start ako late na ako eh. Kasi more on singing ako before nung bata ako. So, hindi talaga model. Wala yan. Hindi ko nakita sarili ko noon na mag-model ako. May ganun, ano pala ako.
Right.
Siguro mga 13. Ganun lang po ako nag-start. So, mga ilang years pa lang din. So, baguhan lang po talaga and super bata pa. Kasi hindi talaga yung bihasa talaga. Hindi naman.
Pero ngayon, kamusta? Parang medyo na-i-imbibe mo na yung ganon.
Mas gusto ko siya ngayon. I feel like yes. Kasi dito ko lang na, ano yung parang mas nag-improve din. Kasi, syempre,
mas nahasa mo.
Opo. Well, some ramp, hindi masyado. Syempre, hindi naman nakakapag-ganon. Pero siguro in terms of like, sa photoshoots, kasi mas dito, mas maraming photoshoots sa mga ganap namin.
Right. Kasi, ang ganda nung collarbone, di ba? Sa yung pagpapayat mo, it's a model-like payat eh.
Very true. Very true.
Pero
I just stopped her laugh right in the middle. I need that again. I'm sorry.
Pero dream mo ba mag-Paris Fashion Week? Okay, let's say for example, may nag-invite sa'yo na rumampa sa isang fashion show. Would you accept it?
Yes, I will.
In a heartbeat?
Yes, I will. Pero siguro kakabahan ako kasi feeling ko inaamag na yung ano ko.
Yung lakad?
Yung lakad ko, wala.
Pero di ba sabi nila, Gwen, minsan yung
Wait, what did it say at the top? Ina Amag literally getting moldy in this case. Gwen's walk is out of practice. Okay.
Yung ano ko.
Yung lakad?
Yung lakad ko, wala.
Pero di ba sabi nila, Gwen, minsan yung lakad na medyo weird tignan, yun pa yung parang medyo...
Sa bagay. Actually, well, sa panahon ngayon, nakikita ko nga, like, sa mga videos, doon na lang ako nag-ano eh.
Right.
Sobrang iba na yung, like, sarap. Noon, di ba, parang may certain standard siya. Tapos ngayon, parang, paiba-iba na siya eh. Kahit weird yung anong gawin mo, okay na siya. The weird, the better. Parang
Actually, parang
That's
more unique
true.
kapag ganun eh, di ba? Okay, so aside from modeling, ano pa yung mga naiisip mong gusto mong gawin?
Gusto kong gawin. Siguro mag-act, pero sobrang di ako marunong. Like,
Okay.
wala po talaga.
Yun yung
Pero
something na
curious
gusto
lang
mong
ako.
i-explore.
Opo, yes.
Okay.
Pero alam
That's
ko,
cool.
wala pa akong alam.
Like
Pero gusto ko
drama?
i-try.
Drama, comedy,
Siguro po.
action?
Drama, or I don't know. Hindi ko pa alam.
Right. Who do you look up to?
Si Miss Janelle. Ang galing niya, Marty. Very,
Janela?
Opo,
Salvador?
Salvador.
Oh,
Very
wow.
personal.
Wow. Gusto mo
So, Janela Salvador, also a singer. I'm going to have to take a look at that.
maka-eksena if ever?
Siya. And siguro, si Miss Sarah G. Ang galing din yung Marty.
Iba din
Oo,
yan.
ang galing niya. Like,
Oo.
syempre, performer. Tapos, nung nakita ko yung mga acting, ano yun.
Movies, no? Anong favorite mong movie niya?
Yung, ano kaya, ang dami.
With John Lloyd ba yan?
Hindi po. Yung may dog siya.
Granny? Miss Granny?
Opo, Miss Granny.
Ay, yung may dog.
Yung may dog, iba rin siya.
Iba rin yun.
May dog siya.
What's it? Miss Granny, movie where Sarah Geronimo portrayed a woman who magically transforms back into her 20-year-old self. Wow. Okay, that is interesting. Nice. I don't know if I would want to be 20 again in our current days.
Granny? Miss Granny?
Opo, Miss Granny.
Ay, yung may dog.
Yung may dog, iba rin siya.
Iba rin yun,
Pero Miss
oo.
Granny, napanood ko rin.
Oh,
yun.
magaling siya
Galing.
doon.
Galing
Super,
niya.
oo.
Oo, ang galing niya. Kasi yung character, anyway, yun.
Right. So, pero ano yung parang love na love mo ngayon more? Singing? Or performing? Or being a model? Or parang what ways?
Hala, ang hirap naman nun. Na-enjoy ko rin super yung modeling. Pero syempre,
Iba talaga yung performing. Oo.
But you have to admit, she does have a very, very exquisite, neckline, the shoulders, the collarbones. It does look absolutely. There's a certain kind of perfection in her look. Absolutely gorgeous.
Pero I'm curious ako, ito gusto ko talagang tanungin. Iba ka now compared to being on stage, ha? Parang nagkaano ka, parang ganun si Sarah G eh. Nagta-transform siya. Parang off stage, para siyang mabait. Mabait siya, quiet. Pero pag nasa stage na, di ba? Beast mode na si Sarah. Ikaw, ganun din nakikita ko sa'yo. Parang may ganung switch ka.
ay, salamat.
Are you confirming it na may ganung switch ka? Pag nag-on stage ka, nagiging ibang ano ka?
Ano ko ba? Hindi parang, ewan ko, parang kusa lang siya like pag nasa stage na ako.
Right. Parang yung automatic, organic lang
Hindi ako
eh.
aware din nung una. Sabi ko, nung nakita ko lang like minsan yung mga feedback nila, ganun pala. Pero ako mismo, hindi ko rin siya napansin.
That's actually good. If she doesn't notice it, it's just something that happens naturally, and she doesn't try to move it in that direction. It just happens, and that's just her. And we know that it's very authentic. Then that's good.
Okay, ito naman. What's your diet? Do you have a diet?
Ay, wala naman
Ay, wala.
po. Opo. Though minsan nakakalimutan namin kumain in general. Like, sa sobrang busy.
Yun na yung
kasi.
diet eh. No?
Opo, yun. Pero wala naman kaming strict diet po ngayon.
Hindi
compared
kasi how do
before.
you maintain that body, di ba? Parang, or minsan ang cardio nyo na is the performance and the...
Yes, yung mga, ginagawa po namin. Dun
What's your favorite food?
Yeah.
Your comfort food?
Ice cream.
Ah, talaga? Flavor?
Okay, ice cream. I would have thought she's gonna come with something, spicy, warm, but she's like ice cream. That's cool. Yeah, no diet, staying like that. I just look at food and gain weight. You know, that's life.
Matcha and vanilla.
Okay.
Oh, vanilla. Okay, I'm with her on the vanilla. Matcha ice, I haven't really tried yet.
Matcha.
A type of green tea, yes. I've got the tea in my cupboard, but I have not tried matcha ice yet. Okay, but vanilla, I'm totally with her there.
And vanilla.
Okay. Grabe naman. Buti hindi naapektuhan yung boses mo pag kumakanta.
Hindi naman po. Parang
Oo.
sabi nila depende din talaga sa tao.
Right.
May ibang na-affect, yung iba hindi naman.
Right.
Mhm.
Okay.
Nice.
When was the last time kang kinilig?
Kinilig. Sa K-drama, movie.
Talaga?
Mga random na movie na papanood.
Napanood mo? What's your favorite kilig K-drama?
Hala, ang dami ko nung napanood.
Talaga?
Pero siguro Goblin. Parang ilang beses ko na siya.
Oh,
pinuli,
okay.
Pero sobrang ganda niya.
So,
I haven't watched that one yet. At the moment I'm watching something with Cha-Cha. I forgot the name. It's about this lady dentist who moves into a small town with a very close-knit community of a couple of people, and she's the outsider there, and then she falls in love with one of the people there, and it's a nice story. It's a really cute story. I can't remember the name.
fan ka ng mga K-drama?
Ay, iba na title niya ngayon.
Ano na?
Hindi na Goblin. English na.
Oo.
Hindi ko sure kung... The Guardian. Opo. Baka di ma-post.
So, ma-K-drama ka.
Opo.
You
Pero
like that?
lately, ang hirap na. Kasi ayoko manood ng K-drama na busy ako. Kasi
Napaputol.
nag-binge-watch. Ganun ako. Gusto ko dire-diretso. So, di pwede.
Kaya siguro doon ka na-inspired to
Baka.
na rin,
Baka.
ano? Baka. Okay, so last question. How do you see yourself, let's say, 10 years from now?
10 years from now? Alam nyo, napapressure nga ako sa buhay ko. Kaya hindi ko talaga alam.
Hindi ka parang nag-a-advance mag-isip. You take it day by day na lang. Parang ganun.
Opo. Pero sa ngayon, ewan ko. Sobrang nag-overthink ako sa future ko, kaya hindi ko alam.
Okay. So, instead of asking you 10 years from now, siguro ano na lang yung parang long-term goal ni Gwen?
That's okay. That's good.
Goal.
Parang
Oh my gosh.
own business.
Long-term goal. Oh my gosh. She is so cute.
Long-term goal.
Parang
Oh my gosh.
own business.
Yes.
A fashion line.
Yes.
Diba?
Yes.
Ang dami. Ang dami ko
Ang dami.
naisip. Yes, business. Kasi parang yun yung like masussustain yung ano ko.
Right. That's right.
And ayun, yung mga ganun, siguro makeup, kasi mahilig ako sa makeup.
Oh, talaga?
Gusto ko, pero di ko alam saan ako magsisimula. Pero
Parang
gusto
sarili
ko
mo
rin
cosmetic
siya.
line.
Yes, kasi mahilig pa ako mag-makeup talaga.
Oh.
Pero di ko pa napaplano or anything. And ano pa ba? Gusto kong, like, tumira ulit sa province.
Ay, talaga?
Kasi probinsyana ako.
Bicol, right?
Opo.
So,
Ewan ko ba, parang sobrang ko talaga sa province.
gusto mong bumalik? Parang a rest house?
Ganun.
Di ba may gano'n?
My type of girl. Absolutely, yes.
Okay, last question na. Sorry, pahabol na lang talaga to. If you will be trapped in an island,
Ay!
sino
What
yung
island?
gusto mong makasama?
Ang hirap naman yan. Isa
Bakit?
lang.
Isa lang. Yung feeling mo, makakasundo mo, makakasurvive kayo pareho.
Sa Bini.
Anywhere.
Kahit sino.
Kahit sino. Except family, of course.
Yun na nga eh. Shucks, sino kaya? Siguro, wala akong masyadong dito, friends din eh. Bini lang.
Okay, so sige, Sabini.
Sa Bini lang si Joanna. Yes, dyan siya ngayon.
Bakit si Jo?
Kasi leader namin siya. Saka may comedy ka na, may ka pa, like, may magli-lead sa'yo.
Right. May survivor skills diba?
Yes.
Thanks, Gwen!
Thank you, Gwen. Wow! That is loud. Okay, this was cool. That was really fun. All 8 girls are just such wonderful human beings. Wow. This was nice. It was nice seeing them just talk a bit, just talk by themselves too. It's not, there's a different energy when they're all together in an interview, and then when you've got them all by themselves, it's a different energy, and I like that. This was nice. Listening to Gwen was wonderful, and Joanna's mind is just, I like that a lot. I like her a lot. And Mika was fun. Mika was lots of fun here. Wow. Very, very nice vibe. And Stacy, yeah. Stacy is Stacy. She's just cool. Stacy is wonderful. Wow. Folks, I have to thank Pop and Subs once again. Yeah. I would not be able to watch this without the subtitles. I wouldn't understand much. Thank you once again so much. This was definitely fun, folks. Maraming salamat po for being here. You guys are great too. Guys, take care, stay safe. I was looking for my water bottle, but it's not there, and my coffee is empty. But stay hydrated nevertheless. And as I always say, sarangge, annyeong, paalam, until the next time.